Hi traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to make complete trading setup with Puprime Forex Broker and MetaTrader 5. First we make a complete account in this broker, and after we make a trading account in MT5, and then we connect trading account with MetaTrader 5 platform. So at the end of this video you will be ready to trade in real market. So let's start. First you need to click on the link given in video description. After this click on sign up. So this is account opening form. Select a live account. Here you need to select your country, write your first name, write your email address, and set your password. This is your main account password to log into your this Puprime Broker account, and click on create account. So guys, this is your main account dashboard. Here you need to complete some steps. Click on create now. Here you need to complete some more details. Write your first name, last name, select gender, date of birth, phone number, residence and nationality, and click on next. Here you need to select trading platform. I am going to open MT5 account and choose account type. I am going to open Prime. Select currency USD and agree to terms and conditions, and click on confirm. Your submission is under review. Thank you for opening an account with Puprime. You can begin funding your account once your submission is approved. So here you need to complete ID verification. Here you need to upload your ID card front and back pictures. So guys, after verification you can connect your trading account with MT5. So I am going to connect this trading account with MT5. This is a demo account. So to connect trading account with MT5 we need three things. First, login number. This is our login number. Second, server name and password. So open your MT5 trading platform. Go to file option. Click on open an account. Here you need to search your broker. Click on find your company. Click next. Select connect with existing trade account. Here you need to paste your login number. Write your password and select your server. So our server is Puprime demo. If you are connecting a real account, then select this server and click on finish. So in this way you can connect your trading account with MT5. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.